Okay, yene ora Safuduku din komo and I said the report at the tree and him no 25 good players. A bit rare Kotoko training grounds na share so inti ora Safuduku echichi mama e denti and I share preseason and sinipa dom say any BP or more any training.
To show their talents. That is why you will not see most of our registered players. Tomorrow the training will continue with most of our old guys getting involved. Then on Saturday we have our first friendly match for the preseason. And then on Sunday we shall take a rest. And on Monday we play another friendly match. And then we'll see whether we'll be able to pick one or two players out of the tour list. So basically that is the program from today to Monday, when we will then allow only our registered players to continue the training until we depart from Kumasi somewhere on the 5th. That will be on Saturday. Then we play the match on Sunday, the 6th of July, take a 2 or 3 day break, and then we finally reassemble and then begin our proper pre-match activities, pre-season activities.
Okay, so this is much more like a preparation towards the President's Cup. Now, per the exercise that happened here today, was it part of the plan, or you had to just fix it in? And will it not hamper your preparations towards the President's Cup?
Well, I don't know being the President Cup, but we would have given the players about a month's rest so that we'll be able to deal with some of their issues. Unfortunately, we are compelled to play this all-important President Cup match. In a way, this program will affect our activities, but I would say that we were compelled by circumstances to allow the young ones also showcase what they have in them. So yes, originally it wasn't part of our plan, but it was through some of these exercises that we had a player like Sonny Yakuba. So we thought that, who knows, there may be another Sonny Yakuba or a better player than Sonny Yakuba. So let us give these players the chance to prove to us. That is why.
So talking about expectations, per what you saw today, what's your fair assessment of the 2 sessions?
To be fair to them, you cannot use just this first session or this one session training to assess them. That is why the program will continue till Monday, by which time I think we would have given them enough time to demonstrate what they can do.
So it means, will the batch we saw today report same time tomorrow, or you've selected some?
So all of them are to report tomorrow. Usually we would have asked some players to leave, but we thought that just one day will not be enough to do a proper assessment of them. So let us give all of them the chance to come back tomorrow. Probably after tomorrow's training, we may cut down the number to a reasonable size to make the exercise more effective. We can only hope that other players will not join tomorrow. We are only hoping.
Okay, so lawyer, finally, if I want to know President Cup.
No, by the time the exercise will be over on Monday, we would have known which of them will be joining Kotoko. Once they are selected, they become part of the Kotoko's team. So any player in Kotoko whom the coach believes can stand in for that match will be selected. But for now, they are not part of the Kotoko family yet. It will be after Monday when we will see whether one or two players will be able to make the mark.
Lawyer, me yanity say foreign players if you minimum say justify say wo mo aba yanity say ba ko be free every coast na dia dia.
And training no na Togolese in the Burkina Faso. I know say 3 of them they missed their bus over Burkina. And intina omo want me come Burkina Faso. until we are expecting them hopefully on Friday. I'm sure that more, but that is the challenge. They tell us about doing more emutry. Mobile is a pass, no, missing bus. There's only one book can be in the moon, no, 4 mobile. They are hoping that the with the short time, no, should be fine.
Lawyer, Zachary also here justify and answer wait me confirm Mr. Asante Kotoko in a week.
Well, Zachary Fuseni is now a bona fide player of Kotoko. He's now part of the family.
Okay, so Sisi Asante Kotoko have 5 signings. For now, they are confirm Yamayeno. You be more signings, and I think so. Omodin can also say more free team. Maybe we count the likes of Justice Blame situation to say.
Why are people pushing Justice Blame out of the team?
Okay,
to show their talents.
And what is players' name? I just wrote over training. Or me and Sampa justify your inclusion. Togo ni baku ye training. Burkina ni baku ye training. Burkina for me and some see on bus. And see, I mean, boy, move from Gadugu Babi PM Fiada. And Zachariah Fuseni, Kotoko player, Blay, other than more rushing and so be free team, more pushing. And this and many more. And Ora Safuduku explaining. And the ama yenati for what is this a Kotoko? One more training bebre, nipa bebre, baby training. Emunchemu, any preseason, and once and seminano. And a lawyer, Safuduku, at the actual piano, Ekoso Kama Ewomono. Safuduku ebi so abon se nyina atofa na ba ni nyina na wa bisa Safuduku ode amaye no na bibi wa kire biem na ba okay na ye hwese ne na ba ebeto aso na ye de afri onam se ono na ene Safuduku na ba atemenka
boss metonka pa metonka
Safuduku akansem ni nyina kakra ho ade beto aso ana.
Oh yes, kakra ho no. I don't know if say yahwefo no etini here. Nanka
All right, too bad. Network no enshada endim boy enti ebehwe na Safuduku. Na ba otemenka, em se Safuduku aka ni nyina na kakra ade to aso ye de en wadama.
Aha, kakra me de to aso no say players no dodo na ye hwe akire no se ne na obumu ntirimu asanso akire wo akire ho no ama camera ni mu na o kire mu se Kotoko aye o madwen se there are some place bebre ho a Kotoko egeti omo o de kakra gura mu de but omo geti omo from sa initiative ya omo e de buy na nka omo plans ho kra senke bia Kotoko e ba be bibisa but we eye ade a omo asua e de afri baby enso ade aba because obi betimi e de ne player aba abonten obetimi reject no but rejecting the we are ebia next season bi no akọ play team bia later on no akọ say sa player we ana ye de ba Kotoko no but yansum anje nti no akọ ba bi ne de sika kese kwa akoto no edi sene omo ye na mo gitu mu say omo enye sa justify no ebeboa ma players bia ebia emire bebre bi no omo reject omo na omo ama yes justify and course no na ebe affect team no later etu omo je sa de no dia tum na omo de awuremu akopem se Monday ebeba ahyase na omo de bae no na omo mfa muti enje de now so e was say omo hwe because player bia and we dream sisi a onye training no ebia nka Kotoko anhwe no e we justify ni mu abia wa ampeke no na wa ama meka Kotoko team ho a ebia na next season no team bi wa Ghana ha say ya and so I for the same player obebo ne ho modern and so e wo league aye kwaku wremu no na ne another next ne other season no Kotoko e di sika kese e di akwa Kotoko nti Kotoko e ti ase sa de a enye eniema be koye so e di ama omti the reason why omo play omo nyina de bom se ne omo eme justify ne pa no sana secret no etie ni na yon komo omo di wad enchen se player no ma omo kwan ama omo be justify ende na ebia player team bi eso ni mu je no na obono ho modern next season na anhwe ya na another season no for the sika kese akwa akotol but ende na we justify ha no ebetimi aboa ama club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko afa sa player na omo fa sika kese bia enso enkoto sa player no edi sana etie di Burkina base Burkina for no mo say omo ye 4 I was saying ka omo ebeduru ha ende aha or send Combedu high in the but mobile says near Dibin.
Na and the one
Yes, or mobile banner, BB house with me. I command. Yes. Sir, and I'm common and so is it here. I don't know, man, as a supporters, no, and yet convinced Kakra because now shall see no Buffalo, and was so pie. Yes, no money as you say, Kotoko, Team Cassiasi. Now, ye play Aqua Africa, Quacoboy and Humodin, now say justified, and a Kotoko Bay, now Kotoko any players I was almost far, almost sorry, almost scout. More scouting players. Say
your minute in us, and SSR starting near Manti. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, that's it. For the report.
Okay.
On I had information. I can, why?
What's player, Mate? That's fine.
Okay.